My name is Tareq Khaddad. I am the CEO and founder of Peace by Chocolate. We called our business Peace by Chocolate because we believe that peace is the noblest value on earth that everyone should fight for, and chocolate is our product of happiness. Our official company in Syria was established in 1986, and that's what you see on our chocolate boxes. My father and my family opened the second largest chocolate factory in the region. The factory was growing so fast, but in 2012, it was bombed by an airstrike in the Syrian war that led our family to leave everything there and then coming to Canada in 2016. The very first batch we made of chocolate in Canada was with ice cubes that we bought, for a few dollars in our town in Antigonish, and that was just for fun. Afterwards, we grew into a small chocolate shed beside the house. Now the company has a larger chocolate factory in town after we expanded 3 times since 2017. We opened a flagship store in the city of Halifax just a few months ago. Canadians have been there for our family since we came here. It's a great country. You can be whoever you want to be. There is no limit. You can shoot for the stars and land on the stars. You don't have to land on the moon. In 2020, after the pandemic started, we had to shut down for a few months. And when we knew that we were stuck, we took it as an opportunity to grow, to rethink the mistakes that we have done before, and to build a much stronger business. We took advantage of that, and our e-commerce business has grown significantly since then, over 300%. Peace by Chocolate now ships everywhere in Canada, everywhere in the United States, everywhere in the world. We chose UPS because we share the same values. We want to make sure that people are happy when they receive their chocolate shipments, and UPS has cared a lot about each shipment. Each one of them has that touch of love, made with love by our team, and the team of UPS has been like family members to our team. I truly believe that these challenging times have brought the best of people, have brought the kindness, the niceness, the support for small businesses, making sure that we all survived this. During the pandemic, we felt that we were all in this together because of our community. There are good things in every struggle that we live as human beings, and surviving the war has certainly changed the way that we look at things. And we believe now that human beings are adaptable, they are resilient, they are so much more powerful than we think. Businesses usually care for ROI, return on investment. In Peace by Chocolate, we care a lot about ROK, return on kindness. And this is my advice to other entrepreneurs, is always care about kindness towards your people, towards your customers, towards everyone in your network, because this is the law of reciprocity. Whatever you give, you will get back. We are looking forward to the future. It's going to be bright, it's going to be big.